Good afternoon, children. Now, let us start example problem. Previous class, all the exercise problems are over. Now, the example problem. Example 14, if A equal 2, 4, minus 3, 2, then find A inverse. First write the inverse as you know. First write the problem. This is the problem. The formula involving lambda B, am I right? Now multiply roots of 4, formula minus, multiply both, minus 12, already minus plus 12. That is what 16. That's why not equal to 0. If it is 0 means, need not find at G. Because lambda B not equal to 0 means inverse exists, you will find at G also after substitute already here. But suppose 0 involved means inverse does not exist. That is the answer. Now what G? Already told you. This is formula. Direct right answer. 2 cross 2 means direct right answer. The first diagonal interchange. Next diagonal change sign. That's all. This is the final answer. Usual method is what? Find the cofactor matrix. After take transpose, we get the answer. But here, I am right answer directly by using small area. Interchange the first diagonal, change the sign to the next diagonal. We get the answer. After finding cofactor matrix, then transpose, we get this one. Like that, get the answer. Because this is 2 mark or 3 mark. That's all. Now, substitute here. Therefore, A inverse equal to 1 by 60 theta G. This is the answer. That's all. Second question, 15th question, it's the example problem. E.g. that means what? Example. Now, here have to write the formula up here first. This is the formula. I am finding lambda A. Multiply 18 minus 8 is 0. That means what? A inverse does not exist. This is the answer. That's all. Maybe 2 more questions. Need not find at J. Need not find at J. Up to this one is equal to 0. That's why not exists. If it not equal to 0 means you will find at J. Substitute lambda A value and at J value in the formula. Otherwise, in 0 is that's why A does not exist. That is the answer. That's all. Next question, example 16. If A equal to 1 matrix is given, then find A inverse. As usual, first find A inverse, write the formula. This is the formula. Now lambda B, lambda 2, 4, 4, 2, 5, 4, 2, 5, 3. Am I right? Now 2 into, and I told you, the 2 row column cancel. Am I right? 15 minus 20. Next number sign change. Minus 4 into, this cancel no. Now 2 3 are 6, minus 8. Last 4 into, cross multiply 10 minus 10. Now 2 into minus 5, minus 4 into minus 2, plus 0, minus 10, plus 8, plus 0, that is minus 2. This is not equal to 0. Next step is what? Aij equal to, at j is equal to, Aij 40 is the formula. As I told you, this type of problem, start with the middle term, 5, middlemost 5, 4, 2, 5. 5, 4, 2, 5. Next is what? 5, 3, 2, 5. Next is what? 4, 4, 2, 4. Again, 5, 4, 2, 5. In this way, you want to write. This is easy for you. What I told you. Actually, one more method is there. That method, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. In this way, will come some, the negative, positive mistake will come. Here, not that idea. Simple concept. Now, as I told you, cross multiply 50 minus 20. First element over. 50 minus 20 over. Similarly, 4s are 8 minus 6 over. Next, 10 minus 10 over. Am I right? Next, 5 4s are 20 minus 12 over. Next, 6 minus 8. Next, 8 minus 8. Last row, 16 minus 20. 8 minus 8. Next, 10 minus 8. No surprise. Again 50. Now simplify. Minus 5. 8. Minus 4. 2, minus 2, 0, 0, minus 2, plus 2, 40. Now change the side. First row is converted to first column. Second row is converted to second column. Third row is converted to third column. Now don't put plus 40, don't put here. Because the T represents transpose of the matrix. Now first row, minus 5, 2, 0 can be first column. Next row, next column. Third row, third column. Now, what is inverse formula? A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A minus 2 into at J is what? This one. Now, all the numbers are divided by minus 2. What is the answer? 5 by 2. Am I right? Sign minus 1 cancel by 2. Here, minus 4 because plus is there. 8 by minus 2 is minus 4. 4. Here, minus 4 by minus 2 only 2. Here, 2 to cancel minus 1. Here, minus 2 minus cancel only 1. 0. Last one. 0. Minus 2 divided by minus 2 1. 2 by minus 2 minus 1. In this way, this is the answer. That's all. This is called A inverse. Inverse of A. That is the answer. Now, example 17th question. A equal to 2, 3, 1, 2. 2, 3, 1, 2. Satisfy the equation A square minus KA plus I2 equal to 0. Then find the value of K. Also find the A inverse. The question is only A square. That's why given A. This is given. A square means A into A. Right? A matrix, A matrix. Now, this is called matrix multiplication. Product of two matrices. First row, first column. Am I right? The first row, first column. Put RMR. First row, first column. Here 2 element, here also 2 element. You want to multiply the corresponding element. 2 to 4 plus the next element means here also next element. 3 also. First row, first column over. First row, next column. 2 3 6. Again 3 2 6. Am I right? Now second row, first column. 1 2 2. Here second element, here second element. 2 plus 2. Here 1 3 3. 4 2 2 4. In this way you want to multiply. Important concept. The matrix multiplication is very, very important. Now A square find out. Now what is given equation? A square minus KA plus I2 equal to 0. Am I right? A square is what? 7, 4, 12, 7 minus K into A is what? 2, 3, 1, 2. I2 is what? 1, 0, 0, 1. This is called identity matrix. 2 represent 2 cross matrix. I represent unit matrix. That is 1, 0, 0, 1. Now, add first to the last. That is easy for you. Alright? First to the last. 7 plus 1, 8. Then 12 plus 0, 12. Then 14 plus 0, 14. Last 7 plus 1, 8. Equal to K into this one. This side. Minus K into something, no? 2, 3, 1. Am I right? Am I right? Now, actually, this 0 represents 0 matrix or null matrix. That's why not only put 0, you put 4 zeros. Am I right? Now, minus K in this one equal to 0, 0, 0. I am adding first to the third, the same thing is there, equal to something. Now, or otherwise, minus K is multiplying all to all, you know. Already told you. Outside the brackets of numbers or elements are involved in this scalar involved in it, you will multiply all the terms by minus K. Put plus, now multiply minus to all. Minus 2K, minus 3K, here, then minus 1K, minus 2K. Okay? Now, corresponding answer should be added. 8 minus 2K, 12 minus 3K, 14 minus K. Not 14, 4. 4 minus K. Last one is 8 minus 2K equal to 0. Now only equating the corresponding element. 8 minus 2K equal to 0, minus 2K equal to minus 8, K equal to 4. This is the answer. You will equating this equal to this, or third equal to 0, or fourth equal to 0. Whatever may be, K value 4 only. Am I right? First adding this two, afterwards put plus sign, multiply minus K, again adding, automatically correspond, two numbers are equal mean the corresponding value should be equal. I am equating first with first, we get K value 4. You will equate second with second, or third with third, or fourth with fourth, definitely the K will be equal to 4. Now what is asking? The inverse also asking. Put the heading to find A inverse. Previous model. A in what is the formula? 1 by determinant of A into Rj is the formula. Now find determinant of A. A already given 2, 3. 1, 2. Multiply. 4 minus 1 equal minus 3 equal to 1. That is not equal to 0. Again Rj is equal to formula for this one is Aij power t. Now interchange the first diagonal. Next one change sign only. Now A inverse equal to 1 by 1 into 2 minus 3 minus 1 2. 1 by 1 1 did not write. This is the answer. The two solutions are asking. These are all tension idea only, not new idea. This is already exercise also over. To prove AB whole inverse equal to B inverse A inverse. Now I start with what? AB, inside bracket is what? AB whole inverse equal to B inverse A inverse. That means what? First by AB. AB already given. AB equal to 1 2 1 1 0 minus 1 1 2. What I told you? First column 0 plus 2 minus 1 plus 4. 1 into 0 0 plus 1. 1 into minus 1 minus 1 plus 2. 2 1 3 4. Now AB whole inverse equal to 1 by determinant of AB with adjob AB. What I told you? Determinant of AB equal to 2 3 1 1 multiply 2 minus 3 that is minus 1. Not equal to. Now adjob AB is what? Direct right answer. What I told you no? What I told you? First like interchange. Next one change sign only. Therefore AB whole inverse equal to 1 by minus 1 into 1 minus 3 minus 1 2. Now change sign minus 1 3 1 minus 2. This is called first equation. This is AB is whole inverse. 1 by 1 minus 1 is minus 1. Multiply all elements by minus 1. Now find B inverse. B inverse what is formula? 1 by determinant of B into adjob B. Am I right? Determinant of B first line. 0 minus 1 1 2. What is the answer? 0 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 not equal to 0. Next adjob B. Already told you. What I told you? The first time interchange. Change sign. Therefore B inverse equal to 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is what? 1 is that. Again A inverse. Write the formula. Afterwards, find determinant of A. 1 minus 2 minus 1. Then adjob A. What I told you? Same thing. Change sign. You change the elements. You change sign. So A inverse equal to 1 by minus 1 into 1 minus 2 minus 1 1. Change the sign. Minus 1 2 plus 1 minus 1. This is. Now only find the answer. B into A inverse equal to B is what? 2 1 minus 1 0. This one minus 1 2 1 minus 1. Am I right? Now multiply. Definitely this answer will come. Am I right? First column equal to first column minus 2 again plus 1. Next side roots are 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. Next side minus and minus plus 0 plus 1 0. Last side minus 2 minus 0. Minus 1 3 1 minus 1. That was the answer. Therefore from 1 and 2 AB whole inverse equal to B inverse A inverse. Definitely both answers will be equal. Otherwise you are called by something wrong. The same of 3 mark or 5 mark important question. The same type of question example already over. This example problem. That's all. Now example 19th question. Show that the matrices A and B, two matrices, are inverse of each other. To prove A and B are inverse of each other means we have to prove AB equal to BA equal to I. That's all. Already the same paper in exercise is already over. You want to multiply A with B matrix, we get I. Again B with A also I. That means automatically AB with I means A and B are inverse each other. Now first I want to multiply A with B. Am I right? The A matrix the same thing 1, 3, 5, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. But in B matrix, that all are having the denominator 35. That's why 1 by 35 is common to all. What remember? Minus 4, 11, minus 5, minus 1, minus 6, 25. Here 6, 1, minus 1. Am I right? Now 1 by 35 is already taken outside. Now the first row, first column, 3 cross 3 matrix, you know? You want to multiply 3 cross matrix with 3 cross 3 matrix. First row with the first column, first row with the second column, first row with the third column, take second row with the first column. In this way you want to multiply. First row with the first column, 1 into minus 4, minus 3. Look at that. 1 into minus 4, 3 into minus 3. Here, what is the answer? 5, 6 are 30. Am I correct? But the answer is what? We want I. I is what? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Check yourself. First you want to multiply 1. Actually the question is, A is what? 1, 3, 7. Here 1, 3, 7. But I wrote only 5 actually. Now 5 is 7, you know. Now multiply. What is the answer? 1 into minus 4. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 7, 6 are 42. Okay? In this way, next say, first row with first second column, 11 minus 18 plus 7. Am I right? Next say, 1 into minus 5, 3 into 20, 75. Last say, 7 into minus 7. First row with the first column, second column, third column over. Now second row with the first column. Second row with the first column. 4 into minus 4, minus 16. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Then 3 into 6, 18. Next set. 4 into 11, 44. Next set. 2 into minus 6, that is minus 12. Last is 3 also 3. Last set. 4 into minus 5, minus 20. Then 2 into 25, that is 50. Last is what? 3 into minus 10, minus 13. Again, 1 into minus 4, minus 4. Next set. 2 into minus 2, minus 2. 1 into 6 is. Similarly, 1 11s are 11. 2 into minus 6, that is minus 12. 1 ones out. Last set. Minus 5 plus 50 minus 10. 1 into minus 5, 2 into minus 25, then 1 into minus 5. Now simplify. 1 by 35, get 35 0, 0, 0, 35 0, 0, 0, 35. Divide 1 0 0, 0 1 0, 0 0, 0 1. That is what I. A, B put I. This is the first answer. Similarly, B with A. B is what? Minus 4 by 35, 11 by 35, minus 35, here, minus 1 by 35, minus 6 by 35, 25 by 35, next side, 6 by 35, 1 by 35, last minus 35. Into the A matrix part 137. Now next say 4 2 3. Next say 1 2 1. This is the A matrix. Now in all the 1 by 30 is common time outside. What is number? Minus 4 11 minus 5, minus 1 minus 6 25, 6 1 minus 7. Here 1 3 7 4 2 3 1 2 1. Now multiply the same answer will come. Am I right? It's somewhat lengthy calculation, but concepts are easy. Simple concept. Very simple concept. A with B equal to I. Again, you will find B with A also, the same answer will come. Now, you want to multiply this one? This one over, you know? AB with I. AB with I is over. Now, I am start with BA. 1 by 35 is common. The 1 by 35 is common 10 once already. Now, 1 by 35 into the same thing, you want to multiply first column, am I right? Minus 4 plus 44 minus 5. Am I right? Next say, minus 12 plus 22 minus 7. Next say, minus 28 plus 33 plus minus 5. So I got this one. Always you start with here. 1 by 35. Put the bracket. Come on, minus 4 plus 44 minus 5. Next say, minus 12 plus 22 minus 7. Last say, minus 28 plus 33 minus 5. It's already over. Please parted. Now next one, first column, second row, first column. Minus 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 6 into 4 minus 24 plus 25. Next say, minus 3 minus 1. Next say, 50. Last say, minus 7, 18, 10 plus 22. Last say, 6, 4, minus 10. Next say, 18 plus 2, minus 2, 10. Minus 20, sorry, minus 20. Last say, 42 plus 3, minus 10. Now simplify. 1 by 35. Here 35, 0, 0, 0, 35, 0, 0, 0, 35. 35, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. This side. This is one BA. Now, from 1 and 2 will be equal. Definitely will be equal. Therefore, AB equal to BA equal to I. Hence, A and B are inverses of each other. That's all. This idea. That's simple concept. Separate fraction is coming. That's why avoid the fraction that outside. Then multiply by use 10 standard idea. 3 cross 3 matrix. That's all. Today that's all.